So to a brother, like I said, and I'm not mincing words, you know, I miss the guy. But you know, I'm not on such good terms with him because he's in Paris, then he's in Germany, then he's in Dubai, and now he's in Ghana. I haven't seen him for a while. You sure? Then be like you be editing. Right now, there's social media there. How you doing, man? You're looking good.
I'm good.
What you been eating?
Bro, like at the chop, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it the fufu, the banku, or the continental dishes?
All of them. All of them.
All of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we said you're coming here, and the first message, okay, one of the first messages we got is, I heard he now lives in Nigeria.
Yeah.
That's like one of the first messages.
I go there more often, but I don't live.
What do you think of, you know, that connection of Kelvyn Boy to Nigerian music? And let's not deny the fact that Nigerian music is doing so well. And you've shown an appreciation, right? Yeah. And I've always said that when somebody is doing well, give them the props.
Yes.
You know, they're doing so well. That end of the conversation, what do you think when you're associated musically and creatively with Nigeria?
First of all, we are all Africans, actually. So, and there's Afrobeat that is putting Africa on the map right now. So at the end of the day, like we are all one people, and then we should be together. We should come together and do music and create music and then link up. I think that's more important than trying to do comparison or trying to say who is there.
Yeah.
We're all Africans.
Right. Here, are we together as much? In Ghana?
Yeah.
The creatives.
Yeah, me, I'm together with everyone, and I don't know who has fight with anyone. I mean, for some years now, the young ones, I don't see who is fighting who. All I hear is music. All I hear is new music, some new guy out there doing it, and I get excited.
Nice one. Now, before we get to the music, very quickly, you're on a platform, right? And someone like Kelvyn Boy, I mean, for what you've done so far, when you speak, it makes waves. People talk about it. And to paraphrase, you were like, we don't focus as much on what we're good at. Yep. You know, we're always, like you said, comparisons. I've asked Mr. Do this. I spoke to B for Bona about this. EL came here just now. I spoke to him about this. And this is a very interesting take. And it's something that I really, really thought about. Yeah. Please reiterate why you think we're doing that and why is that a problem in this industry? Okay,
I think that narrative, that table is turning, actually, because way back before, when I came in the industry, like every song could blow like that. Like, it doesn't happen lately, you understand? Okay. Thanks to the social media and then all of that. It's not like the ones that some gatekeepers are saying is the number one, is the number one. Do you understand? Yeah. The number one is on our phones. We know
the fans.
You can't force anybody to like or unlike something. So it's visible. Do you understand? Okay. So I think that is changing. That is changing. But what I think is the problem is we can't support several people at the same time.
Oh. Please elaborate briefly.
Yes, because if it's this person,
because now there's so many artists out there, so many.
Yes, right. And what Nigerians are good artists, they support everyone equally, like they do it.
And that's what we don't do.
That's what we don't do. Oh. We don't support several artists at the same time. Okay. You understand? If Kelvyn Boy will come, yes, it be Kelvyn Boy. That we go take him, compare people, say, oh, it be this one. If another person come, we have to leave Kelvyn Boy, and then.
Yeah, it's broken my heart so much that you have to leave today, but like earlier, right? Because he's a busy guy. But that's a very interesting take, and it's true. It's like we have only one breakthrough artist each year. Yeah, that's crazy.
Do you understand?
That's actually crazy.
It's very true.
We have only one breakthrough artist each year.
It's very true. It's like the energy is not.
Okay,
it's not meant for
interesting.
Several artists.
It's not meant for several artists. The new music, Vero, the new EP, it's
mad.
Charlie, it's doing things, man.
Yeah, I call it for the culture. They like it. FTK.
For the culture.
Yeah, FTK. Culture with K.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
this guy's looking fly on his own cover. Why culture with the K though?
Okay. I feel like it gives it that broken in English. Okay. That broken English. Vibe. And then my name starts with K.
So. That's what I thought. What's your favorite song on there?
All of them, trust me, because I just dropped the visualizer for Antisocial, and they love it. Yeah. And the fans out there have several favorites, and then I personally I personally like, okay, right now, Vero's video is out there.
Yeah.
So it's Vero for now. Because
Is Vero a true story, personal song? Or it just came out, it was just the lyrics?
Nah,
You sure?
love songs that we just didn't do them like that.
Yeah, just they do. Now we're going to get to the visualizer, of course, but what's the plan moving forward? Because this song is out.
Yeah.
I've listened to your multiple platforms, and I love the way you answer questions, right? Very matured, very direct. You don't mince words, right? So what's the plan moving forward for Kelvyn Boy this year specifically?
Yes, so I just dropped this, and I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it still, and then I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. It's God. So I leave the rest in the hands of Jah. I just do my best, and then I keep pushing. I keep pushing.
Nice one. What would you want to tell your fans before you leave, man? Anything you'd want to tell them?
I love them so much, and then they should just keep supporting Ghana music, African music, Afrobeat in a whole. You understand? Support everyone, and most seriously, you have to be streaming our songs. Please, that side it'd be really important to me. You have to go stream our songs. Stream it. Stream. Yeah. That's how I get money. That's how they get money. So, do you understand?
Yeah.
So, if you really love me, you have to come for my shows, go for everyone's shows, and then stream our songs. That's how, you understand? Because every time we blame the artists, but the fans too have their role that they have to play. Yeah. They have a role to play, because if you're gonna stay home and just say, why is Ghana artists not going, and then you don't go for shows, and then you don't stream their songs. Do you understand?
So basically the fans have
a role to play. Yeah, of course, as well. So that's what two things that I feel like they should just keep doing.
Do you think Ghanaian artists take the business-minded side of things seriously when it comes to the music, as much as the creative side? Generally.
Of course.
Because, and I asked that question because Down Flat, right? You released the song, smash it everywhere.
Mad.
Yeah, then you released the remix, right? And obviously the remix wasn't as big as the single, but from a creative mind, that was one of the best moves because it had two very strong artists on there. And I mean, right now, who's going to even determine whether this song is bigger than this? What's the reasoning for that remix? And is that something you're looking at?
Yes, I mean, collaboration, first of all, is to tap in other fans. You understand, other audience, because we all have our fans. But the fact that maybe somebody would get to like the song because, oh, Steph London is on the song.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow, you understand? So that's the first, I mean, aim if you're doing like a collaboration. So the original song is big already. Yeah. So
a rich businessman who creates music.
So we have to just link up and do
Kelvyn,
and do it.
Thank you so much for coming. Unfortunately, we don't have too much time. It's such a blessing.
Man.
Please keep doing your thing.
I'll make late tomorrow.
More music. I know.
Anytime I drop any new music video off the EP, I'll come back.
Thank you. That's a promise. That's what brothers do. Shout to your manager in the cut. That's my guy. But we fighting. I'm fighting with the whole team.
I should say they're fighting be you and I'm for fight rather, because
no be you.
No be.
Okay. He ball pass, but we'll find some way do out. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My brother Kelvyn Boy. EL came through. I hope I get to hear music from you and EL one day. I'm just putting it out there.
Of course, I would love to do music with everyone. Bro, like,
just putting it out there. Guys, we have sports coming through. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Yeah, man.
If you know be money, don't tell me. I don't want no. I be antisocial, antisocial. Enemies, when you make I tell you my